disassembly video. Yeah, Macbook 2008, and this is our resident Mac genius. I think he's trying to do a RAM upgrade. Where you going? Got a video going here. Well, he kind of ruined the video by leaving. That's what we've got so far. He's struggling with that screw right there, I believe. Oh, here he comes. Resident.
Got anything smaller than this?
I don't know. Back to work.
Make me hand the god to you, bro. Fucking Jew karate up. That one. Why don't you fucking put your phone down and be helpful like Sean?
You know, other people might struggle with opening their Macs, so figured.
Yeah, well, if it's watching me is not going to fucking change anything.
Ah, resident genius. You've got so many Macs. I can tell just by your attire alone that you know what you're doing.
Obviously I don't. The fucking thing's stuck, and this is the only Mac I have. So fuck you. You have a better Mac than I do.
Let's focus in on a couple points of interest here. One, the shoes.
You have a better Mac than I do.
And the pants.
Sean's not a bullshitter, you know? Don't fucking cross party lines if there's something going on. Why? It's cold. It's getting cold nowadays. That's not.
Let me point out, because he did just make a nice point. This is the temperature in our warehouse, 67. It's not warm, but not cold. And this is under his workstation. Very female-like space heater for his feet.
It's just tight. Ruin your video.
Wait, which one do you want?
This.
You got this one too?
I don't think so. Already popped it up. That's the last case. Screw gun.
Too big.
You could drill it out.
Drill it out.
Yeah, just drill the screw head off, and then you'll never have to worry about that one little screw ever again.
Break it.
Yeah, just pop it off. Just break it. It's just a MacBook. It's not like it's worth much.
Screw.
Yeah, just give it a little tug. Dude, just break it.
Did you check Cindy's drawer? She probably has an eyeglass kit, several of them in there.
I mean, you think an eyeglass kit's smaller than that screwdriver right there?
Yeah,
That screwdriver looks pretty small.
It is small, but there's definitely small.
Oh!
Bubble wrap.
Apparently somebody doesn't like being filmed, but people need to know how to open their Macs. So.
People do. So you're like 2 YouTube videos already?
Huh?
That's too much.
What?
This is too. What are you expecting to get out of this video?
I don't know, maybe a couple 100,000 minutes and 14 seconds.
It's pretty fun.
And I just started it again. Which is kind of cool about this phone.
You can
Stop
pick
it.
up where you left off.
Yup.
That's
Just looks like an edit.
Oh. Got an X-Acto knife? You got an X-Acto knife, Logie?
I don't.
Go grab one from over on my desk, or Scott's desk. Scott's desk. I don't think mine's there.
We've got a new genius.
Let's play with sharp things, Scott. Get a close up of this. Look out for shards. Yeah, let's not fucking do anything.
Why won't that do it? I feel like you could do it with that.
It takes a good video.
You've stopped it already a couple times. You've already stopped it a couple times, and I just pick right back up.
And Paul, phone, Scott.
Light is just horrible.
Why is it so fucking tight? It's ridiculous.
God, he just hates being on video. He doesn't want to be on a star, apparently. He doesn't want to be a star, apparently. Dude, I'm training Krav Maga, dude. I gotta get the phone. Alright, we're gonna pause for an edit. Come back once we actually pop it open. Since that guy right there is just, I mean, should have known. Can't even dress himself.